Look, 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 look. I finally did it, guys. I made it here at 5 o'clock. Not on the dot. I was late on that. We here early in the morning, finally. Finna get a workout in. Today is legs, so you know how that goes. Either way, I'm getting thick. You guys don't see it, cause I be wearing a bagginess, but I'm thickin'. Not thicker, I'm thickin'. All right, let me get in there. I'm done. I did legs, but I feel with legs, like it takes so much energy out of you. And if I don't eat, like right now, I feel like I'm about to pass out. And not in a good way, if there can be a good way, you know. I'm finding it hard to breathe a little bit. And it's definitely because I need to eat. Like I can feel my stomach just like squeezing itself. Trying to find where the hell the food at. It ain't nowhere. So I'm gonna get home and eat a little breakfast, do the hundreds and all that. So hopefully I can make it home. I took a nap. It's just gonna be happening. It's gonna happen to me. It's gonna be happening. Apparently my body just does it. I didn't even say. Okay, I'm about to do the hundreds. I'm calling the 150s now because it's just not enough. I just step my game up, do the 50, extra 50. 50? Right. I'm a little delusional. Killed it. Alright. My back started to go, so I only did hundreds today. Not gonna lie to y'all. My bad. She's a little tense right now, and I gotta go to work, so I don't want to overpush that. But excuse. Because really, that's all that was. Do I care though? And see y'all tomorrow. So you know how it goes, 75 hard. Pretty soft right now. Over a month in. Over halfway in. So we killing it. Got to have to go though. All right, good night.